Welcome to my channel. Today I will cook a very healthy and tasty family recipe called mixed soup. We can have it any time of the year as breakfast, lunch, snacks and dinner. We can have it as day-to-day food, special occasions, festivals and even given to guests. People of any age brackets can have it as well. Please watch till the end as I give many tips, recommendations, explanations and alternatives. Make this recipe at home and share it with your friends and family members. If you are new to my channel, then please subscribe and click the bell icon for updates from me. You can also like, share and comment below. I reply to all. Heat ghee half teaspoon. Instead of ghee, butter can also be used. Sunflower oil 9 tablespoons in a pan. Add diced potato 2 cups or 2.5 medium potatoes. Skin is peeled off. Turmeric powder 1 teaspoon. And diced carrot 2/3 cup. Skin is peeled off. And salt half teaspoon. Fry in medium to high heat for 3 minutes. Add sweet corn 3/4 cup, frozen, defrosted with water. Fresh sweet corns can also be used. Peas 3/4 cup, frozen, defrosted with water. Fresh peas can also be used. And capsicum 3/4 cup. Fry in medium to high heat for 3 minutes. Add mushroom 4 cups or 6 cut into 4 pieces each. And salt half teaspoon. Fry in medium to high heat for 5 minutes. The veggies are added keeping their cooking time and properties in mind. We can't add mushroom earlier because water from mushroom will not allow any vegetable to be fried. We can add vegetables as per availability in the house. The vegetables now look semi-fried. Take off the pan and keep aside. Heat sunflower oil 7 tablespoons. Add bay leaf 1, dry red chili 1 split into 2, crushed cardamom 4, cloves 4, cinnamon stick 1 large, mace or jaggery half of a flower optional, crushed cumin 2 tablespoons or cumin powder 2 teaspoons, and crushed coriander seeds 2 tablespoons or coriander seeds powder 2 teaspoons. Saute in medium heat till golden brown. Cumin and coriander seeds are crushed in mixer and grinder till nearly powder. If we are using cumin and coriander powders, then use them with other powders like chili and turmeric. Add chopped onion 3/4 cup, chopped ginger 3.5 tablespoons, chopped garlic 4 tablespoons. Fry in medium to high heat for 5 minutes. Add diced tomato 4 cups or 2 large. We can also use tomato puree or tomato paste. Saute in medium to high heat for 7 minutes. Break some tomato with spatula. We can cook till the oil separates from the masala or the oil floats on the masala. This way the soup tastes better. Add diced boneless chicken 800 grams, salt 1 teaspoon, turmeric powder half teaspoon, and Kashmiri red chili powder 1 teaspoon or red chili powder half teaspoon. Instead of chili powder, we can use chopped green chilies as well. Cook for 5 minutes in high heat with the lid on. This is called koshano in Bengali. It will cook in the water of the chicken. After 5 minutes, stir for 1 minute and cook for another 5 minutes with the lid on. After 10 minutes, stir for 1 minute. Add the fried vegetables, diced spinach 4 cups, and salt half teaspoon. Mix well, then transfer to a pressure cooker. We can also cook in a karai. I have already transferred to a pressure cooker to cook the soup faster. Add water 4 cups, black pepper powder 1 teaspoon, and lemon juice 1 tablespoon. Pressure cook for 10 minutes in high heat. After 10 minutes, this is how the soup looks. With a knife or spoon, cut some vegetables and chicken to check if they are done. Yes, they are cutting, which means the soup is done. Taste it, add whatever is required as per taste. My soup is perfect. We can strain the soup and drink it. It will give a very smooth taste. However, I strongly recommend that we do not strain the vegetables and chicken out of the soup. They have lots of fibers and they are very good for the health. I'll serve it hot. It can be consumed with hot steamed rice and Indian breads like roti as well. Serves about 4+ people. I will garnish it with some chopped spring onion leaves, coriander leaves or cilantro, and green chilies. Please make it at home and let me know how it was. I would love to know about it. Please like, subscribe, share and comment below. You can follow me on social media with my channel name. I will be back with a new tasty recipe. Till then, stay healthy, eat healthy and enjoy life. Bye.